Hello, class. Welcome to week 5. It's hard to believe we're already on lesson 5, but the semester's moving quickly. This week we're going to focus on site design. So this will aid a lot in project 2. In addition to site design, we will also talk about setting up online credit card payments. We'll have everyone do this. I know that some of you are choosing a business model that does not require an online payment method, but it is a useful tool for everyone to have. So let's start with our assignment for site design guidelines. For this assignment, you'll pick 2 successful websites that have a similar business model or business idea to yours. And you want to pull from sites that are well established, are successful. You may have some that you admire, and you can certainly pull ideas from those as well. But you do want to look at those who have been successful. And then you will pull their URL and list 5 similarities and tell me why you think they have those similarities. Then pick one of those websites that would be a good pattern and explain why you chose it. And describe at least 4 pages from that site that you would include in your website, and make sure to provide your rationale for each of those instead of just listing those 4 pages. So for example, I chose a site that is well known for its design, if I can pull this up, which is apple.com. And let me tell you some of the things that I like. It's a very clean design. It draws your eyes to key advertisements that they want you to see. You can get to their product right away, and so they really have your eyes drawn to the core purpose of the site, which for them is furthering their product and showing off the design of their product. They have a simple navigation bar up top, and so if I have a model that's similar to this, I'm going to pull from some of these ideas and try and design a similar site to this. Now you'll want to find businesses that have similar structure and similar purpose. So you may not follow the Apple model, or you may not like Apple's design of their site. And they don't have to be as large and successful as Apple. They don't have to be worldwide companies like that, but you do want to pull from some who have had pull from a website that's had some success. So that is your site design assignment. It's important to remember that online, one of the great advantages to online business is that there's so many ideas out there, and it is perfectly fine to go pull from ideas and websites that others have and then tweak it to your purposes. That's one of the great advantages of online business, is it's all out there open for people to see, and it's not too difficult to replicate a website or a function on a website. So you'll have your discussion board on the site design guidelines, and then we'll jump into the credit card assignment. For this, we will be using PayPal. I'm aware that there are many different types of online payment methods, and for your website you do not have to use PayPal. If you use a different type of online payment system, that is completely acceptable. Personally, when I'm shopping online, I love it when people have Apple Pay set up. As you could probably tell, I own an iPhone and enjoy Apple products, and so if someone has Apple Pay set up, it's just smooth and simple every time to purchase. So you can use what you'd like. For this assignment, however, we're going to ask you to use PayPal just because it's so ubiquitous. Most companies have a PayPal option set up. So there's a video to teach you about PayPal. What we'll want you to do for this is to create a button, a PayPal button, copy and paste. You can create that on their site, and then you will use the PayPal site to generate a code snippet. You'll copy and paste that code snippet onto your document, and then this is an important part that some students miss. identify at least 3 questions that you have to answer. This is just a good exercise whenever you're starting with a new product or function for your business. It's great to think ahead and say, what are 3 questions I need to have answered if this thing is really going to work for me? So that's a healthy exercise no matter what your business is and no matter what functionality you're adding to your website. Then submit that Word document. The optional next steps is that if this is important for your business, go ahead and upload it now so you can have PayPal on your site. Again, many businesses do this. It's a great practice to have the PayPal option when people are purchasing product on your site. And that will be it for this week. You'll have your reflection. And then there's this link here, student feedback to instructor. Please take time, if possible, to leave your feedback. It is extremely important to me. I have made frequent changes over the years based on that feedback. And I try to make changes every semester based on what students give me. I'm always looking to make it a better experience, and many of the things that I do have come from student feedback. And so if there's something missing, if you need more of something, if you need less of something, please make sure that comes through in the feedback. I want to make this the best experience possible for you. So I always appreciate your feedback when I have the opportunity to receive it.